Hello again. It's me, Jennifer, your grammar coach. As you know, I'm an English teacher. You probably think that most teachers teach in a classroom, right? Well, I'm different. Let's take a look at some of the things I do. I write a blog. I don't teach in a classroom. Let's look closer at the sentences about another teacher, Carol. She works at a college in the United States. She doesn't teach online. What's different about the verbs in these sentences? Well, if we talk about your regular actions or habits, things that are true or thoughts and emotions, we use the simple present form. To form the simple present, use the base form of the verb after I, you, we, and they. Use the base form of the verb plus S after he, she, and it. If the sentence is negative, you need to add do not, or the contracted form don't, or does not, or the contracted form doesn't. Let's look at these examples. What's the difference in form? Yes, great, you got it. We use don't plus the base verb after I, you, we, and they. We use doesn't plus the base verb after he, she, and it.